Want to get approved on Maxbounty in 2025? Start by creating a professional profile using a dedicated email address. Fill in all your marketing experience to stand out. Make sure your website or social media channels are polished and user-friendly. Compliance with advertising standards is key for a smooth approval. Understand the types of offers Maxbounty has. This knowledge will help you clearly articulate your marketing plans during the application process. Always be honest about your traffic sources and marketing methods. Transparency builds trust and increases your chances of getting approved. If you've got prior experience in affiliate marketing, share your successful campaigns. This demonstrates your expertise and makes your application stronger. Have questions? Don't hesitate to reach out to Maxbounty's support team before applying. It shows initiative and helps clear any doubts. After applying, follow up if you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame. Persistence can make a difference in getting noticed. Stay updated on Maxbounty's policies and offers. Being informed can give you an edge in the application process and beyond.